Hey guys, it's me, Jessica De Leon, and welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing an unboxing. These shoes are definitely Generation Z shoes. This is their shoe. Honestly, I wasn't sold on the whole idea of this particular shoe because I thought it was ugly. But when my 13-year-old Generation Z daughter bought a pair, or I bought her a pair, and I saw how cute they were with all her outfits and everything, like in person, I was like, okay. I started wearing them with my outfits and borrowing them all the time. And then eventually I was like, I think I need to get my own. So that is what I did. But of course, I didn't get the exact same kind because being me, I got something that would be for my personality or my style. Got something a little bit different. If you're interested to see which ones I got, which you know by the title, obviously, but if you're interested to see them, then keep on watching. So let me just show you guys these wonderful shoes. Okay, so here's the box, guys. That's what it says on the side. I got these in a 7.5, and honestly, I bought these based on the size that my daughter got hers in. They run kind of big. We wear size 8s and she had to get a size 7 because a size 8 was like way too big. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna do the same thing when I order these. Now I'll tell you, I ordered a 7, way too small. I had to send them back and reorder 7.5. I think I probably could have gotten away with an 8. So the sizing on these shoes from the regular Air Force 1s to these are not the same. These, in my opinion, do not run large like the regular versions. Okay, so just note that in case you really like these and then you are deciding if you want to get these. Don't do a whole size down like you do in the regular Air Forces. Order your regular size in these, okay? So let's get to the unboxing already. And we just got some paper, of course. There we go. There's... Oh, yes. Oh, my God. Oh, here is the left shoe that I just took out. Here's the right shoe. Those are super cute. Let's take a good look at these. These are little stars. Looking at the back of the shoe, it's got this thing across the back here, which is a little bit different. It's just like a double of this, which I think is the shadow part because it's supposed to look like shadow. I could be wrong. And actually I did read as to why they call this the shadow, but I don't remember. So I will put the details right here. So cute. Here they are side by side. Here are the bottom soles of the shoes. The platform does increase as you get to the back of the shoe. It's a little less than 1 inch here. It's like 3/4 of an inch here. And as you get to the back, it becomes a full inch. Now let's compare them to the original Air Forces. So I have my daughter's Air Forces here. Hers are a little dirty. So these are the originals and these are the shadows. Now you can tell there are slight differences in these. Obviously the AF1 is white on the shadows and silver on the originals. The toe is a slightly different shape. The little perforation holes on the front are also smaller. As you can see, there's kind of a like a inside line on the front of these compared to the other ones. They're just little design details that are different on each of these shoes. The platform is just a little bit bigger. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. And it has kind of a pebbled leather here. And it has AF1 embossed here. This one has 2 perforation holes under the Nike. This one does not. The Nike is also different on this, where this is like a cursive. And this is cloth right here, guys. This is not leather. That would have been cool if they made it leather so it wouldn't get dirty, because it's going to get dirty. And then it also has kind of like this thing that comes off the side like that for the laces, where this one does not. And the soles, almost the same, a little different, as you guys can see. So there are just slight differences in the shadows versus the originals. I think the shadows are just a little bit more, in my opinion, stylish. Nike definitely had me in mind when they were making these, because I love the Air Force 1's, but these are definitely better. As far as pricing on these bad boys, they were $110, and they have a bunch of different colorways on the Nike website. Okay, so let's just go ahead and try them on. How do you lace it with this? I mean, is that how you do it? I don't know. Let's try it and see. I'm gonna have to Google or look at a picture to see like how that's supposed to be laced on the little extra part that sticks out, because something tells me that's not right. Ooh, got that sucker. Ooh, these are tight, guys. I'm telling you, get your regular size, okay? They'll probably stretch out, but get your regular size. Let me show you what they look like. Okay guys, so that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the bell for post notifications so you can see me again in the future. And I will see you guys in the next video. Love y'all. Mwah.